Hello, my name is Fernando from Fixed Phones. Today I'm going to show you how to bypass a Google account on the TCL 20XE. Let's get started. Hit start. Make sure the phone is connected to Wi-Fi. Then hit don't copy. As you can see, this phone has a pen lock. I'm going to show you that the phone is locked. As you can see, it says verify your Google account, which is we don't know what it is. Now you need to go back to the startup menu. Then click on emergency call. Click on emergency information. Then you have to click on the pen edit on the corner. Click on name owner. Then click on the circle, the blue circle. Then click on choose an image. Then press and hold photos. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. If it doesn't work, you have to go back. Then click on the circle icon, choose an image, then click on the three dashes on the corner. Then press and hold on photos, should direct you to this page. Here you have to click on permissions. Then on the search icon, you have to type in settings. Then scroll down. Once you see the settings icon, click on it. Click open. Scroll down to find security and biometrics. Once you find it, click on it. Scroll down until you see screen pinning, click on it, turn it on. If it doesn't let you, just go back. Then here you gotta go to accessibility. Click on accessibility menu. Then turn on the accessibility menu shortcut. Click allow. Got it. Then go back. Here I'm gonna show you that this is the phone. This is the TCL 20X and it has the Android 11. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any additional questions, comment below and I'll get to you as soon as I can. Go back, then you have to look for apps. Once you find it, click on it. View all apps. Here you have to click on the three dots on the corner. Then click on show apps. Scroll down until you see Android setup. Click on it. Then click force stop on both of them. Once you finish, go back and scroll down until you find Google Play Services. Once you find it, click on it. Click disable app, force stop, okay. Then you have to go back. Go all the way back. Then you'll see this screen. Click on agree. Then click on skip. Once you get to this screen, you have to go to settings, scroll down under system, click on it, then click on reset, click on data reset, click on reset phone again. Now it's doing a factory data reset where it wipes everything on the phone. Once the phone done that, you can set up the phone as nothing on it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.